Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Okay, going to go for a put here at 55. In at 55 for a put. So picked up one put at 55. Okay, having quite the challenge here to get out. Wow. So took $30 there. And really that might be my day. Low volume today, and that's the problem with low volume. That was quite the challenge to get out, even at the 30-cent mark for $30. So if I do keep trading, I'm going to need to be very, very, very conservative in my entry points because as you just witnessed right there, that was quite the challenge to get out. Couldn't even get out for 50-cent move, which in many videos, if you've watched, you've seen that happen. And and I'm not exaggerating, in less than a second. But this one was not less than a second. I didn't even get $50. And then even when I tried to get the 30-cent move for $30, you saw I had to sit there for a while at that point. And this is, again, I'm not shocked by that because this is a lower volume environment right now. But it does kind of just reiterate and, why, if I do keep trading, I'm going to just need to be extra cautious with my entry points to give myself that much more wiggle room. So, all right, I'm not going to say that I'm done, but I am saying I'm going to need to be very, very picky, very, very cautious in my entry point. So I don't know, this may be a super short video where I get that one and we kind of, just turn into an educational lesson of when you see that sort of action happening, those are the moves you need to make. And I should also know I am trading options. I should have mentioned that earlier. If you have no idea what I mean by that, or if you're scared of options, don't be scared. They're very simplified, or they can be very simplified. And I offer a free class called the Big Base of Options. If you're curious in that, just comment below option guide or guide, please. And I will link you to that free class where I go over the terminologies, how this stuff works. Now, to be fair, options can be made very complicated. You can approach them in very advanced ways, but they don't have to be. And I approach them in more of a simplified way. So if you like to take kind of that approach to things, you like the more simple, straightforward approach, then, options or that class will be good for you. And options are really good if you have a smaller account. That's not necessarily why you have to use them. That's not why I'm using them, but I do know a lot of beginners and so on. I do have the smaller accounts, and options are a great way to get involved in the markets. So that'd be something else to consider. But like I said, if you want to learn more, then just comment down below. Would be interested if the price can get up here to this blue line right there, but we'll see what happens. I will pause. All right, going to try for, no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted 53. No, that's not conservative either. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm just sitting there saying I need to be conservative, I need to be a little picky, and that was not a picky entry point at all, by any stretch. I guess I pat myself on the back a little bit. At least I recognize that quickly, but isn't the human mind a crazy place? Have you ever been there before? I don't think I'm alone. Hopefully I'm not alone. I've been trading for a while where you tell yourself something, and then if you're being honest and self-aware, you're doing the exact opposite of what you just told yourself not to do. Now, to be fair, sometimes with the way that videos are, I hit the pause button and it may not be hours until I come back and start to record again, because maybe I go and hang out with my kids or work on something else. I don't know. But in this situation, that was not the case. In this situation, it was literally like a couple of minutes ago, I told you all that stuff, and then I'm sitting here ready to do the exact opposite. So yeah, the human mind, like I said, hopefully I'm not alone. Hopefully you've been there. Have you ever done that before? I'm doing it on the comment section, but yeah, that was, sometimes all you can do is laugh at the human mind. It'll try to make you do some crazy things, especially in the world of trading. All right, I'll pause. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's later on in the day, but I have not even been around. I take that back. I've been around a little bit, and I've glanced, and nothing has really changed. Just slow, low volume, so just nothing else has really occurred. And after that one mishap about me jumping into pretty much wanting to do something as soon as I had said I didn't want to do it, I haven't had any more of those. I haven't had much interest. So yeah, just one of those days where hopefully the takeaways, some days this will happen. If you recognize an environment and it's just not seemingly conducive to what you're looking to do, then you know what? Call it a day. There's nothing that says you have to trade. Or said another way, if you are in a situation where you have to trade, that's very dangerous because some environments are just not good for trading. So if you have to trade in an environment that is not good for trading, you see the problem there. So always keep that in mind, is if you're in a situation where you have to trade, not good. And for me, trading is just one of many streams of income. I call it a side hustle. So, it's one of those things, and that's why I encourage everybody to have multiple streams of income, because multiple streams help fight against those situations where, well, I got bills, so I have to trade because I have to make money. Wow, that is a dangerous spot to be in. And I'll just leave it at that. But so that's all I have for you. A very short video, not a lot going on, but that's just how some things go at times. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. If you do want to see actually more trading, just go through the playlist. There's a lot of other videos where there's actually trading and stuff like that that's going on. But yeah, today was just one of those days. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.